As a political analyst, I must emphasize President Mnangagwa stepping down in 2028 is not a substitution, it is the conclusion of a full constitutional term. Salamina mashoko aruda panguwa anasegeswa na chipomsarurwa panguwa ino achiedya the Zimbabwean leader panguwa ine kuti aiwa apase on the stick patubina mna 2028 to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina una mobile comes the analogy of a football match is apt, but only when correctly applied. A constitution implies premature removal. What we are witnessing is the natural end of a match with the final whistle blown by the constitution itself. Zimbabwe's constitution is clear. 2 5-year terms. This is not a punishment, nor a reflection of poor performance. In fact, term limits are designed precisely for presidents who perform well. In functional democracies, unpopular leaders are removed by voters, but popular leaders, if left unchecked, risk become permanent fixtures, eroded democratic renewals. The purpose of term limits is to prevent the overconcentration of power, the rise of personality cults, and the stagnation of leadership. They ensure accountability, generational transition, and the infusion of new ideas. No matter how effective a leader may be, democracy demands rotation. President Mnangagwa has served 2 terms, a full decade. That is a significant mandate. To seek an extension beyond 2028 would not be constitutionalism, it would be constitutional manipulation. The legacy of a leader is not defined by how long he stays, but by how honorably he exists. If President Mnangagwa respects the Constitution and facilitates a peaceful transfer of power in 2028, he will make history. Zimbabwe has never had a smooth democratic transition since independence. This is his opportunity to be the first to walk off the pitch with dignity, having played the full match. Let us not distort legal principles with emotional analogies. The Constitution is our referee, and when it blows the whistle, the game ends not in controversy but in honor. Ndomashoko arotoka panapa nachipomsarwa tudze mafungiro enyu motudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Abvina kuma section medu musama subscribe or like achita on the bell icon.